Welcome back to Best of Home Design. I'm here with Manny with District Floor Depot. Manny, thanks for being here.
Thank you. Excited to be here.
Excited to have you. Tell us a little bit about District Floor Depot, how you got started, and what services you offer.
Absolutely. So District Floor Depot started after many years of doing home renovations. We developed a passion for hardwood floors, and we saw that there is a need for a retailer that can provide value not just in its product, but in its quality of its product that it provides, value in its services such as delivery as well as installation, and value in its customer service. And so that's what gave kind of the birth to District Floor Depot, and we opened our first location in the heart of our nation's capital, 1600 Rhode Island Avenue. And soon came our second showroom, and we are now currently working on our third showroom, which will service our Northern Virginia customers in Herndon, Virginia.
Well, congratulations. That's exciting. And for customers who are interested in a consultation, what's the process like?
So once we schedule a consultation, either myself or one of our project managers go into our customer's house. We take samples as they request, and that's typically helpful to be able to see the actual product next to your own cabinets or the wall colors, to be able to see how the room is going to be transformed. So it's helpful in that sense, but we also inspect the installation area to be able to provide our customers an itemized proposal that explains every step of what we will be doing in their house. Doing a remodel is typically nerve-wracking, could be stressful, and we try to make it as stress-free as possible.
It sounds like it. And everyone wants to know what the biggest trends are in the DMV right now.
So the biggest trends have been most recently with the European oak, which is a term you hear a lot, or hickory, which has its own natural beauty. Lower sheen, wider width products seems to be more popular, 7-inch, 8-inch wide products. Lighter color or darker color, it just really has to do with the color and your personal preference. And most recently, herringbone pattern seems to be picking up as the biggest trend in the city, which creates a beautiful scene.
It is very beautiful. And for those that don't know, what is the difference between engineered and solid hardwood flooring?
So both of them are hardwood. Engineered term came about because of the fact that a veneer is cut from the same lumber that would create a solid wood, which is typically 3/4 of an inch. But this veneer is typically installed over top of a plywood construction, and that helps with fighting moisture over course of seasonal changes, or the moisture that could be coming from the subfloor. And so our area gets extremely cold and dry, it gets extremely hot and humid, and any wood substrate tends to expand and contract. So engineered product is really designed to keep that product stable and steady for many years.
Okay, great information, and I understand that one of your biggest celebrations is coming up. Tell us about your big anniversary sale.
It is. Our big anniversary sale every year takes place between April 1st to April 15th. We celebrate the birth of our District Floor Depot, and this year, very uniquely, will be in line with our Northern Virginia store in Herndon, Virginia opening, and this provides an extensive sale to our customers, not just in the product, but as well as the installation services that we offer. We already have really aggressive pricing for our customers, but being able to get a 50% off of very aggressive price provides a lot of savings for our customers.
Sure. Sounds like a great deal. Manny, where can people find more information about District Floor Depot?
So you can visit us online, districtfloordepot.com, or give us a call or visit one of our showrooms, and we can take it from there.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, stick with us. We have more to come on Best of Home Design.